I'll show you the quick and easy way how you can import Trust Wallet into MetaMask. Now, when you import a wallet into any wallet, for example, you need to have a 12-word secret phrase. So, for example, if you import from Binance to another service, when you want to import it, it will ask for a 12-word secret phrase, right? So, for example, here I'm on Trust Wallet here, right? And I'm on my third wallet here, Mnemonic 3, right? If I want to see what my secret phrase is, you can see there's a notice at the top of the screen here. Pack up your secret phrase right now. Just open this and then click on show to pack up your 12 words in a piece of paper and never share it with anyone, right? So when you click on show here, 12 words will appear right here, right? Now I'm not gonna click on show because that's my secret phrase, but when you click on show, it'll show your 12 word secret phrase. Now let's move on to MetaMask. Now when you first install MetaMask, it'll open a website like this, right? Just click on I agree to MetaMask terms of use and then click on import an existing wallet. Now on here, just click on I agree and then on here, pick 12-word secret phrase and then just punch in all of your 12-word secret phrase here and then confirm secret recovery phase and that's it. Your wallet will be imported from Trust Wallet to MetaMask. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.